Just vibe, voting on 45, don't get out of line. Yeah, ooh, 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 pick a side. Only double lines we cross is dollar signs. Yeah, ooh, 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 hold up, wait. I hear you just got paid, make it rain, energy. She more Cancun, he more Central Pay. Be waving the room, the crowd gon' move. Look around everybody.
So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaris. If you're returning, I love you. So today I'm coming to you guys with a hair tutorial, and this hair is from Wowangel. The quality of this hair, I got it in 28 inches. When I tell you, this is the most silkiest, luscious hair I have ever got. Like, I'm so shocked. Look at the back. It's just long and full all the way to the end. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this side parting look. Make sure you look in the description bar below. All the hair details will be in there. It's 28 inches, lovely hair, good texture, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. You don't need to do nothing to it. So make sure you check out in the description below. If you're also new at doing hair, this is beginner friendly. Yeah, I didn't even have to bleach it. Look at this. Gorgeous. Oh my days, I'm so happy with this hair.
Look around, it's me and my crew.
He was on stop mode, that froze, post one page Vogue, no post, check too much, bro, clip unload, that's that Kodak, energy, yeah.
Gold links, raw dinner, you know that we do it grinding. You know that I'm gonna be extra, and the camera go pop, 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 pop. Keep them waiting like that. Ooh la la la, that's the way them boys sound when I walk through the block. Then now Uzi that doozy, shot.
So I don't know about you guys, but I actually cut off the lace before I installed the hair. So here my sister cutting the lace a bit more back. As my forehead is quite big, I like to actually make the hairline look like my hair. AliExpress is currently having a Black Friday sale from the 23rd of November to the 29th. So make sure you guys are there. AliExpress currently have 50% off thousands of wigs on their website. So use the link in my description below to take you straight there. I also have a discount code which is WOW60, so make sure you use it to get money off your purchase. So guys, we've just put foundation on the bold cap. It's looking really big, really bold. My skin's looking great though. My makeup, my filter, just a little bit of airbrush. So this wig is currently on AliExpress, so type in the search bar Wowangel HD Lace Official to make sure you get this wig. It's HD lace, 13 by 6 and 28 inches frontal wig. So I hope you guys are running to AliExpress to get these wigs because you're not going to get deals like this anywhere else. Also, when you open the AliExpress app and type in WOW60, you can find other influencers' pics for top hair, good quality and different styles.
Kept the Galleria open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy at a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too gravy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. I bet you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making wait till your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby, hold tight. Such a city with the cheap blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth-ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first-name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge.
then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Lady, there's a phone you can reach. You know I don't go for keeps. You're trying to feed me with jealousy. Girl, you must know nothing about me. I never got here on a plan B. Plan B, plan B. I never got here on a plan B. Plan B, plan B. Yeah, brush you again. Then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Lady, she wanna breathe, need a child. I told her free, there's a crowd. I'm on the aeroplane above the ground. I can't throw away everything now. You only need me when I'm in town. In town, in town. You only need me when I'm in town. In town, in town. Yeah, brush you again. Then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Lady,
Oh my gosh, so guys, look at the length of the hair. Look at the quality. It's so gorgeous. I feel like Rapunzel. Yeah, I love the hair so much from Wowangel. So gorgeous. I love the texture as well. Beautiful. Wowangel's currently doing a Black Friday sale, so make sure you check it out. They have so much different wigs. Everything that you're looking for will be in the description below. So yeah, the hair is so gorgeous. Long hair. They do not skimp on the hair quality or the length. It says 28 inches, you're gonna get 28 inches. Like, look how long it is. Gorgeous hair. Like, as I said before, no product. Like, if you miss out on this sale, I don't know what to say to you guys. I've given you guys the warning. I told you about the sale, so make sure you go check it out right now. Hope you guys love this tutorial. I love you guys. Bye.